Good morning to all. So, today we are here once again to learn our English lesson in the class 6th standard. And the name of our lesson is the 7th lesson we are going to learn, and the name of our lesson is Fair Play. Fair play. What's fair play? That means nothing hidden, everything open. That is fair play. Okay. So it's about two friends, very close friends. And the name of those two friends are Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. They were very close and strong friends. And so, because of their friendship, the people of that village respected them very much. And this lesson is written by Munshi Premchand. Who is the writer of this lesson? Munshi Premchand. He is a novelist, essayist, and used to write a lot of plays also. So, he's one of his play only, this Fair Play. Okay. Now, these both friends were living together, not together, but in a village they are. And they were very close friends and respected by all the people of that village. And Juman has got an aunt, and she is all alone. Nobody is there to look after her. But at the same time, she has got a lot of property. So, she has become little old and she could not do all her work by herself. Then what did she do? She has transferred all her property in the name of Juman. And in return, Juman took the responsibility of this aunt. So this aunt started to live with Juman in his house. Days were passing on. So 1 year passed and second year also came, and it was going on. But in the second year and all, slowly things were going bitter. This Juman and his wife, mostly they did not like the behavior, or they did not like to feed her, or they did not like to take care of her. So slowly they have started to express their feelings towards this aunt. And not only they expressed, while giving the food also, they have insulted her. That was a very bad thing, you know. While giving food to some others, if you insult, no one will feel to have it. So that happened in Juman's aunt's house also, with Juman's aunt. She did not like to have food. Many times she skipped her food, and the things was getting worse. And she asked Juman, "You people did not like me of my stay with you people. So it's better you do one thing. You give me a monthly allowance for me, so that I can prepare my own food." To this, Juman and his wife did not agree. They told, "No, we cannot give like that monthly allowance to you." So many times this lady, poor lady, went without food and all. Then she started to going to everybody's house, and she started to tell everyone that this is the thing, this is the way they are behaving. They are irritating me. They are not giving me proper food, and at the proper time they are not giving. Not only that, while giving food also, they insult me. So I cannot eat my food. And you all know, my property I have transferred in Juman's name. So, and she knew that Algu Chowdhury was Algu Chaudhary is Juman's friend, and she went and requested Algu, will you stay with me? Will you support me? But he also, will you go and tell something to Juman that they have to take care of her properly? But Algu Chaudhary, out of his friendship, he denied the request of Juman's aunt. Then she thought she will go to the panchayat, and so she decided to go to the panchayat, and that time she asked Algu, will you stay with me? That also he disagreed. Then okay, you don't support me, but will you come for the panchayat? The aunt asked Algu Chaudhary, will you come for the panchayat? That he agreed. So the time has come, the panchayat started, and Juman asked his aunt, and in the panchayat, the head man, a man should be there. He is known as Panch, and he has to take the decisions in the whatever is happening, taken place. That he has to. At last word will be from the Panch. That is the head of the village. So Juman asked aunt, whom do you want as the Panch for this case? Suddenly she said, I would like Algu Chaudhary with me, Algu Chaudhary as the Panch of this. And Algu Chaudhary agreed. So, and this happened, and in the panchayat, Algu Chaudhary, then Juman thought, oh, it is my friend only, so he will support me. So my own friend will not deny me, he will support. But when Algu Chaudhary came to that position, he thought that I should be very just. I have to take the just decision. I should be right to I have a conscience. I have to judge this with the right conscience. What's the meaning? Conscience means inner voice. We will get a call from within. That is known as conscience, inner voice. Then Algu thought that, okay, I will do justice to that aunt. So everybody was there, and the case started, and at the last moment Algu has to give the verdict last, and he acted according to his inner voice, and he told Juman either he has to Juman either to give her monthly allowance. Algu told Juman either you have to give your aunt a monthly allowance or return her property to her. That was the decision taken by Algu Chaudhary. So after hearing this, their friendship has broken, and both of them became enemies. That was the first two parts of this story. The first part and second part is over, and the third part I will take in the next class. Okay.